Well, greetings everyone. Today we'll be replacing the rear glass on F30 BMW. In order to do so, we'll have to remove this trim panel here. There are 3 Torx screws holding this piece in, so we'll have to remove the rubber guide, remove the screws to get this out in order to get the glass to be installed. The inside panel will also have to be removed in order to get out the broken glass that are left in the door, as well as align the glass with the window regulator. Here we have the new replacement glass for the door, so we'll just be pulling it out and then we'll be getting to work on the installation process. Alright, so we remove the door trim, which is this piece, by just lifting it up. There is a groove on the trim that just fits over the lip here. So just upward motion and just pry it off until it is removed. Alright, so to get this off, there are some clips here that hold it in place, as well as 2 sections on it that one hooks under here and one hooks behind this plastic here, this metal trim. So in order to release that, you just start from here, this side. You'll get a short screwdriver and you will insert it. There's a little hole underneath it. Insert the screwdriver and twist it this way, and what it does, it compresses the spring in order to allow you to release the trim. So you pull it from this side and then pull it out. From there you have 2 T25 Torx screws that hold the handle in place, one down here and one here. After pulling those, it's just a matter of releasing the clips on the door by just pulling on it, and release the clips and release the cable for the door handle, as well as the wire for the window switch, and also the puddle light under here. Alright, so if your car is equipped with the rear sunshade, these hangers for it, they're fitted to this section of the door via these spring clips. So you'd have to pull the trim to this point and then pull it this way to get it from this, and then you can pull it down. So this is how it fits on. It's going to go this way, go back in it. So you pull this way and then pull forward to get it off. After removing the trim piece, you can now pull this forward, exposing the screws that hold this section of the guide in. To make it easier also, the inner weather strip here, you can lift it out just to make it easier for installation of the glass. So just pull it out like that, set it aside. It exposes the inner part of the door. And what is going to happen now, the glass is just going to fit in that. Alright, so this trim piece is actually held in by 4 T20 screws. So after pulling those, then you can go ahead and remove this. So just lift it a little to the front and lift it out. So this goes down here, you pull it, lift it out, and now the glass can be installed. But first we're just going to wipe it up and clean it up a little. There, so it's cleaned up a little. Now to take the glass and install it in the door. I'm going to have to do this off camera because I'm definitely going to need both hands for this because I don't want another accident to happen. Okay, so glass is installed. So what happened, I have to get the regulator to go down most of the way, not really all the way. And then the glass now, you put it in from this side, slide it into the groove here, and then you push it down till you feel the resistance. That's when it's catching on the regulator. And you just give it a little bit more force and you're gonna hear when it's. So after reinstalling the 4 screws for the trim piece here, we see the weather strip. And now it's time to put the window guide seal back in place. So what you're going to do, you're going to get this into the groove and you're going to slide it down. You're going to center the glass. It's going to be centered back into the groove and slide it down over it. Sliding it in until this now becomes aligned with the groove, and now it's just to fit it in. And that's it. Window reinstalled. And now to just give it a test before putting everything back together to ensure that it works properly. Now I don't know if you guys know this trick, but holding down the lock button on the key fob will allow the windows to go up. So windows rolled up properly. Same thing, hold the unlock button and it will also get the windows down. Alright, so it appears to be working perfectly. Now to just finish reassembling the door and then we're good to go.